Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to be making a galaxy skirt for Moon-chan based on BS Apricot's artwork. So for the material for this project, we're going to be using this beautiful glitter galaxy print novelty cotton that I found at my local Joann's, and this reminded me so much of the school uniform designs from BS Apricot's artwork that I decided to work on this project. So I'm using this for Moon-chan, but you could use it for really any of the other characters. And we're not using a particular pattern with this one since all we're doing is cutting rectangles to fit whatever size you need. Start by cutting a rectangle the length and width you want your waistband to be. Then we're going to fold it in half and press it flat. Then we're going to zigzag around the edge to keep it from fraying and to keep the pieces together. Then we're going to cut a very long rectangle out of the fabric for the base of the skirt. The longer the rectangle, the more pleats you can do. If you can't have it all be in one piece, just sew multiple pieces together to create one long strip. Next, we're going to lay out the rectangle and pleat the fabric until it is the length that matches the waistband, leaving a little bit of extra on the ends so that we can sew the zipper on. For some reason, pleating is something that always gives me quite a bit of trouble, so honestly, usually I just end up using a clear ruler and some pins and just pinning and fussing with it until it looks the way I want it to look. Sew the skirt along the top to keep the pleats in place. And we're going to sew the waistband to the top of the skirt, and I also zigzagged the edge one more time. Flip the waistband up and top stitch along the edge, then we're going to zigzag the sides. Sew the back of the skirt together and insert a zipper. Then we're going to finish the edge of the skirt using a rolled hem. And with that, Moon-chan's skirt is done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.